In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a fuse on your Christmas lights. Well, it's Christmas time and I put up the tree, but I have some lights that are not working. And this one on the bottom was working and then it quit. And so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here's the main plug for the bottom set of strings. If you look at this, there are no real instructions of how to get the fuse out or check it. Now it does have a specification. If you look very closely, it'll say that it is a TS-K6 3-amp fuse. But it doesn't show you like any arrows or whatnot of how to get this out. So let me show you how to do this. All right, now some strings show an arrow of how to open the door, you know, where it is. This one does not show any arrows at all. But if you look right here, you've got these two channels. And if you look at the end of the plug, you will see the ends of these channels right here, like this. All right. So what you need to do is you need to slide these forward. And there are the two fuses, and I'll show you how to check them. I'm going to go ahead and very carefully shake them out. All right, there are two fuses. Now, if you've got good eyes, you might be able to see, but I find it easier to use a multimeter. If you put the multimeter here, this is ohms, and this is to beep for a continuity test. So if you put these together, that means it's good because we have continuity. So let's check one of these fuses. That one's good. Let's check this one. Okay, that's dead. So this fuse, I'll put it here and do a close-up, and maybe the camera can pick up whether that is blown or not. Maybe the camera can pick it up. Should be no wire in there. And we'll compare it to this one. You should be able to see a wire. Yeah, it looks like the camera can pick it up. So you can see a wire on the good one, and on the bad one here is blown. There are a couple things you can do. You can buy one. I'll put a link below for this particular fuse. Or if you're lucky enough, you'll have a couple of spares in the kit that came with it. And I was able to find the same fuse, so let's swap that out. And then here's how you do it. In that little slot right there, you need to carefully put it in, and I put it kind of towards the front, and you can kind of shake that down until that pops into place like that. And you can do the same with the other one. Might take a time or two. I'm going to go ahead and fix this one. So I'm going to close this one because that one's done. I'll try this one again. There we go, just like that. Alrighty. Now let's plug it in and see if it works. I grabbed an extension cord so I can do it in front of the camera. And let's see if this works. Sure enough, we got it. So I had to disconnect some of these, and I have another string that's out up in here, but now the bottom one's light. And so that's all there is to it. And you just need to make sure that you have the right fuse, and it's going to say so right there. In my case, that's a 3-amp. And I think a lot of these mini lights have this 3-amp. But check yours first before you change. You want to make sure you have the correct size, or else it could cause a hazard.